Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset your Toyota Sienna oil light. First, turn your vehicle's ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, confirm that your odometer is showing the total mileage. If it's currently displaying trip A or trip B, simply press the ODO/trip button until the total mileage is visible on the display. This initial step is crucial for accessing the reset function correctly. Now, let's move on to entering the reset mode. Begin by turning your vehicle's ignition completely to the off position. Once it's off, press and hold the ODO/trip button. Keep this button pressed down firmly. While still holding the ODO/trip button, turn the ignition back to the on position. Do not start the engine, just turn the ignition on. You're doing great so far. As you continue to hold the ODO/trip button, observe the instrument panel. The maintenance light, which indicates your oil change is due, will begin to flash. Keep holding the button until this light disappears completely from the display. This flashing and subsequent disappearance confirms that the oil maintenance light has been successfully reset. The entire process usually takes about 10 to 15 seconds. Once the maintenance light is off, you can release the ODO/trip button. To confirm the reset, turn your vehicle's ignition completely to the off position. Then, go ahead and start the engine as you normally would. Check your dashboard to ensure that the oil maintenance light remains off. If it's off, you've successfully reset your Toyota Sienna's oil light. Great job.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.